Section 1. The power of knowing. Advanced first aid saves lives. In critical moments, having the right knowledge can be a game changer. Every second counts in an emergency. The quicker the response, the better the chances of survival. Advanced first aid knowledge can mean the difference between life and death. It equips you with the skills to handle severe situations. It empowers individuals to act decisively, providing crucial aid before professional help arrives. This immediate response can stabilize a victim's condition. The impact is profound, reducing suffering and potentially saving lives. Every action taken can significantly alter the outcome. Now, imagine witnessing a car accident. The scene is chaotic, and every moment is critical. A passenger is trapped, bleeding heavily. Panic sets in, but your training keeps you focused. Your advanced first aid training kicks in. You remember the steps and act swiftly. You control the bleeding, potentially preventing a tragedy. Your actions buy precious time for the professionals to arrive. This is the power of knowing, the power to make a life-saving difference. Your preparedness can change the course of events. It's about courage, competence, and the will to act when it matters most. With advanced first aid training, you become a beacon of hope in dire situations. Section 2. Risk-based response. Assessing the scene and prioritizing care. Emergency situations are dynamic and can change rapidly. Risk assessment is crucial to ensure the safety of everyone involved. Before acting, ensure your safety and that of bystanders. This is the first step in any emergency response. Analyze the situation thoroughly. What happened? How many people are injured? Are there hazards present that could pose additional risks? This rapid assessment guides your next steps and helps you make informed decisions quickly. Prioritize care based on the severity of injuries. This ensures that those who need the most urgent help receive it first. Remember the ABCs: airway, breathing, circulation. Address life-threatening conditions first to stabilize the patient. A choking victim requires immediate attention to clear the airway and restore breathing, while a sprained ankle, though painful, is not immediately life-threatening and can be treated after more critical issues are addressed. Understanding these distinctions and acting accordingly is key to effective emergency response and can make a significant difference in outcomes. Section 3. The body's blueprint, anatomy's role in advanced first aid. Effective first aid requires a basic understanding of human anatomy. This foundational knowledge allows responders to make quick, informed decisions. Knowing the location and function of major organs is crucial. For example, understanding where the heart, lungs, and liver are situated can guide your actions. For instance, knowing where to check for a pulse carotid artery in the neck or radial artery in the wrist is vital in an emergency. This can help determine the patient's condition quickly. Understanding the respiratory system is crucial for dealing with choking or breathing difficulties. Recognizing the signs of airway obstruction can save lives. Similarly, knowing the circulatory system aids in controlling bleeding. Applying pressure to the right areas can prevent excessive blood loss. This knowledge empowers you to provide targeted aid, making your actions more effective and efficient in a crisis. With a solid grasp of anatomy, you can respond with confidence and precision. Section 4. Mastering the techniques, effective emergency response in action. Advanced first aid equips you with a range of techniques. CPR, for instance, can restart a stopped heart, while the Heimlich maneuver dislodges obstructions from the airway. Knowing how to control severe bleeding using pressure and elevation is critical. These techniques, when applied correctly, can be life-saving. Learning how to immobilize fractures reduces further injury and pain. Recognizing the signs of shock and knowing how to manage it is essential. These skills, honed through training, build confidence and competence in handling emergencies. Section 5. Knowledge is power. The importance of training and practice. The effectiveness of advanced first aid lies in proper training. Certification courses provide the knowledge and practical skills needed to respond effectively. Hands-on practice reinforces learning, ensuring you are prepared for real-life scenarios. Regular refreshers are crucial. They keep your skills sharp and update you on the latest protocols. Training also equips you with the confidence to act decisively under pressure. This preparedness translates into quicker reactions and better outcomes in real-world emergencies. Section 6. A call to action. Be prepared, save lives. Advanced first aid is not just a skill, it's a responsibility. By equipping ourselves with this knowledge, we become empowered bystanders. We become capable of making a difference when it matters most, saving lives and minimizing harm. Take a course, learn the techniques, and practice regularly. Empower yourself to be a beacon of hope in times of crisis. Remember, in an emergency, your actions can make all the difference. Be prepared, be confident, and be the one who saves a life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-saving tips and techniques.